Next problem, if n of t is a limited white noise centered at a carrier frequency w naught such that SNN of w which is equal to n naught by 2 modulus w minus w naught less than wb 0 elsewhere. Find the autocorrelation of n of t. So given SNN of w which is equal to n naught by 2 modulus w minus w naught less than wb 0 elsewhere. We know if modulus x less than a, then x lies between minus a to plus a. The same idea, we are having modulus w minus w naught is less than wb, implies minus wb less than w minus w naught less than wb. Adding w naught on both sides of the inequality, you will get w naught minus wb less than w minus w naught plus w naught. W naught minus w naught get cancel, so you will get w at center less than w naught plus wb. So SNN w become is equal to n naught by 2 w naught minus wb less than w naught plus wb 0 elsewhere. This is equation number 1. To find the autocorrelation, we know Fourier transform of autocorrelation is power spectral density. Therefore SNN of w can be written as Fourier transform of RNN of tau. So Fourier transform of RNN of tau is equal to SNN of w. Taking inverse Fourier transformation on both sides, f inverse of f becomes RNN of tau, which is equal to f inverse of SNN of w. Applying inverse Fourier transformation definition is you will get integral, so 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinite to plus infinite SNN of w e power I w tau dw is equal to 1 by 2 pi, applying equation number 1 here. So w naught lower limit w naught minus wb, upper limit w naught plus wb, n naught by 2 e power I w tau dw. So now n naught by 2 is a constant, take it outside. So n naught by 2 1 by 2 pi integral w naught minus wb w naught plus wb e power I w tau dw. We know integral e power ax which is equal to e power ax by a. Instead of a you are having I tau, and instead of x you are having w. So 1 by 4 pi n naught e power I w tau I tau. Lower limit w naught minus wb, upper limit w naught plus wb is equal to 1 by 4 pi n naught by I tau, applying upper limit e power I w naught plus wb tau, then minus the lower limit e power I w naught minus wb tau is equal to 1 by 4 pi n naught by I tau. So e power I w naught, splitting the powers, I w naught tau into e power I wb tau minus e power I w naught tau into e power minus wb tau. The before the previous step, the minus is missing in between, that is why, right? And 1 by 4 pi n naught by I tau e power I omega w naught tau is common, so take it outside, e power I wb tau minus e power minus I wb tau, which is equal to n naught by 2 pi tau. So you will get e power I w naught tau e power I wb tau minus e power I wb tau. That we are grouping 2 and I together to make it sine formula, right? So divided by 2i. So we know sine wb tau which is equal to e power I wb tau minus e power minus I wb tau by 2i. So replacing, you will get n naught by 2 pi tau e power I w naught tau sine wb tau, which is a function of, we can split it into cos w naught tau plus I sin w naught tau, e power I w naught tau can be written as. So which is equal to w n naught by 2 pi tau cos w naught tau sin w naught tau. Since autocorrelation is the real function, so you can skip the imaginary part. There is no imaginary part, so that is why we skipped I sin w naught tau, right? So you will get autocorrelation is n naught by 2 pi tau cos w naught tau sin wb tau. Thanks. We'll see in the next video.